So guys, here's our recipe for lunch. Very fast. We have already cut zucchini, meat, onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Only that is our ingredients plus the seasoning, the chicken-based soup. Of course, we are frying our meat. Maintenant, on va cuire le viande. C'est-à-dire un peu d'huile, just un petit peu d'huile. Ok? On met notre viande jusqu'à soit doré. Okay? Just very easy. You cut the zucchini ahead of time. You marinate the meat. And then now you're cutting your onion, your bell pepper, and garlic. Yeah, very easy. In less than 10 minutes, we can have our meal. Guys. So I turned already our meat a little bit golden brown. After that, we will add our onion and garlic. So now our meat is already golden brown. We will add our onion. Then we're adding our garlic, guys. That's our garlic. We will not burn our garlic. Okay. Then we will add our bell pepper, zucchini. Then we stir fry. Yeah, we just stir fry and we will add the sauce. So the sauce I'm talking is a slurry, just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water, like 1/4 cup of water, and we will add also a soup base. So now our zucchini, it looks like half cooked already. We will add a slurry. I will add a slurry that I'm preparing. That's it. And I will add a soup base, like bouillon concentrate. Just tout petit peu. C'est ça. Puis voilà, c'est fini, guys. On ajoute notre onion, spring onion. So now, guys, our meal is ready in less than 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And please subscribe also and ring the bell. Much love, much appreciated. Thank you so much. God bless us all.